inches long. You are, 'cause look, we're all the way down here. It's a big guy. You're so long. So we're going to be 2 months old tomorrow. What do you think about it? What do you think? Huh? Hi. What? Yeah. Is that your little bit of fussy face? Are you getting fussy? Are you happy? Which one? Which one? Yeah. Keep going. What you got to say? Huh? Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Yeah, bye-bye. Look at those feet going first. Look at it. Yeah, you're so good. Mommy loves when you talk to her. You're so smart. Okay, now we're really going bye-bye. Say bye-bye.